These are fucking hot. And just like that, our first part of our honeymoon has come to an end. We have left Renaissance Koh Samui and we are heading to Bangkok. Yeah, a very nice hotel in Bangkok for 2 days before we then take on a long old journey back home. But yes, we're going to head to Bangkok, check out this hotel. So, see you in a bit. Welcome to the utter chaos that is Bangkok Airport. We're just waiting for the grab now to the hotel, check in to our nice luxury 5-star hotel, and then we're going for
McDonald's.
We're going for McDonald's because we've eaten enough Thai food, to be honest. So we're going to check into our lovely hotel and then go get some McDonald's. Sawasdee krab.
Sawasdee krab. Welcome to the
Kapung krab. It's a bit nice, isn't it?
Mr. Wang, welcome to the Athenee Hotel, and your room got upgraded from Royal Room to Royal Club.
Amazing, thank you very much.
Thank you.
As you are just getting married, so I honor you with the complimentary breakfast at Entry Cafe for the whole stay.
Oh, amazing.
Start from 6 o'clock until 10:30.
Amazing, thank you so much.
Yeah.
In the Athenee. Athenee. 28th floor. And we got a room upgrade and we got free breakfast.
Yeah. Because you told him you didn't want to pay for it.
I won't pay him fucking 80 quid for breakfast for 2 days. He can swivel. Marriott Gold member always delivers.
Thank you.
So we have left the jungle paradise that is Koh Samui and we have ended up in cityscape Bangkok.
It's very different from what we've been used to for the past 11 days. It's very overstimulating.
Yeah, very different. We've been in Koh Samui for 11 days and now we're in Bangkok for 2 days. So yeah, very different to where we were, but we're gonna go and grab some snacks. Yeah, the Athenee Hotel is full-on 5-star luxury, and then we rock up with caps on and t-shirts, shorts and Birkenstocks. There's 8 restaurants that look pretty good, but I imagine it's quite expensive. So we're slumming it up in McDiddly-Do. Zesty, 5-piece McWing Zesty, and a double quarter pounder of cheese. Get some cheese sticks. Okay. Here we are then, McDonald's, McWings, which I've never heard of, a double quarter pounder of cheese, chips, and mozzarella bars. What? These McWing Zesties are fucking hot, let me tell you. Like, blow your head off hot, as in spicy. I'm normally alright with a bit of spice, but they're fucking hectic.
I keep forgetting we're in Thailand. It's a different kind of spice.
I can't do that. I'll get some chicken nuggets. Fuck me. Look at the state of my head.
Can they see it?
I don't know, but I bet I'll stick to it, look. State of that. They are red hot. I'll still steer clear of them. That's gonna hurt tomorrow.
How many did you eat?
1. That's too much. Thai McDonald's, I want to say has been demolished, but it hasn't been demolished. It demolished me. Yeah, it's too spicy. The McWing Zesty ain't zesty. That blow your head off spice. Double quarter pounder was decent. Chips were decent. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was alright.
There you are. We've had our fill of McDonald's. Now go back to the hotel and I'll show you around that room, that upgraded 5-star hotel room. So just got across the street. Hopefully we don't get run over. Fucking hell, we just did nearly get run over.
They didn't have an indicator on.
Fucking dick. You've got to be on your A game out here, I tell you that. Jesus, they come from any direction they want. So this is it. We are in the Athenee 5-star hotel in Bangkok. And the pillows are banging. Super comfy. Nice big bed. Big TV on the wall. Got a nice bedside table. Just been to 7-Eleven and got some chocolate. Don't mind this. I got some stuff and antacids. I got a problem with my gut, should we say. But yeah, absolutely unreal hotel. Yeah. Nice big TV. Nice big, I don't know what you call it, vanity unit with espresso. So I can have a coffee in the morning. Free fruit, yeah. We've got a lovely little welcome with some free fruit. So if you wanted to sit here and do a bit of work, you feel free. If you wanted to lounge over here, you can, can't you? And then, as we walk into the bathroom, which Gab's buzzing about, we've got what they call Byredo. Byredo. Apparently it's Byredo.
They do the most incredible perfumes. It's very expensive. And I was just thinking, oh, it's got all shampoo, conditioner. And I was like, oh, we can fit these in our case. And I've just seen here, it says we get charged 1,100 baht per bottle.
Yeah, so they charge you 30 quid a bottle basically.
So we're not going to take
So we're not going to. But, lovely little bathroom. It's not even a little bathroom, pretty big bathroom. Decent looking shower. And we've got a bath. I've not had a bath in so long. So I'm going to hop in the bath.
There's some oils and salts for you too.
Oils and salts in the bath. So I'm going to hop in the bath. I've had my little antacid just to settle my dicky tummy. And yeah, going to hop in the bath and I might even get in my bathrobe. It's not the biggest bath in the world. But it's a bath nonetheless. Right, out of the bath. It was alright, but it's a little small. So we're going to hit the hay. Have some hay. And hopefully get a good sleep, and then we'll see what breakfast brings tomorrow. So see you in the morning. Ta-ra!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We had a good first night. Now we're going to head down to breakfast, have some snap, and then wrap this one up. Good morning. Swadee Krab.
Gosh, there's so much to choose from. This is is it Thai pear or Chinese pear?
Do one of them. Amazing. Captain Gab, thank you. Freshly squeezed juice. Now the one thing I've missed being in Thailand is having a decent coffee. And today we've finally got a flat white with oat milk. It's alright, it's just it's quite weak. It's still a coffee. And a decent looking fruit platter. A little plate of pastries. This little fella. Our breakfast is done and our first night stay at the Athenee is complete. Absolutely unreal hotel. McDonald's was decent but spicy as fuck. If you come into Thailand and think you can hack the heat and the spice, you can't. So, right, we'll roll this on to the next one. So see you in a bit.
Bye.